Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to maths class. We are in chapter 3, which are 3-digit numbers. Today we are doing session 6. In session 6, we are learning place values of 3-digit numbers. And let's start. Children, first let us understand what are different places for 3-digit numbers. In the previous class, we have learnt places, ones and tens for a 2-digit number. Right? Hope you remember that. For a 3-digit number, we should have a different house, which is a bigger house, that is hundreds. So for a 3-digit number, we should have 3 houses, that is ones, tens and hundreds. And the houses become bigger as you go towards the left hand side. So tens house is greater than ones house and hundreds is greater than tens. Let's have a number 154, 154. Whenever you write a number, each digit in a number has a place. As we all have houses, in the same way, each digit in any number has its own house. What are this here? Houses are nothing but places. One's house or one's place, tens house or tens place, hundreds house or hundreds place. Just as we have written here. So I brought houses over here. Now, number 154 should be put in their proper houses. We need to put each digit in their respective house. Always the rightmost digit will go to one's house. And before 4, in the next place, we have 5, which goes in tens house. And the next one is 1 in a 3-digit number, which goes in hundreds. 100, 5 tens, 5 in tens, and 4 in ones. That's how we place the digits in their respective houses. So hundreds, tens and ones are 3 different places for a 3-digit number. Each place has only one digit from 0 to 9. Any house cannot carry more than 9. It can have any number between 0 to 9. Children, let's have a number here, 364. I'm going to show you how to find out place value and face value of each digit in this number. Before moving to place values, let's write the digits in their particular places. So I brought here houses of hundreds, tens and ones, in which I have put 3, 6 and 4 according to their places. 3 is in hundreds, 6 is in tens, 4 is in ones. Now these are the places. What is place value? Place value is the value of each digit. Place value of 3, place value of 6, place value of 4. Its value changes as the place changes. So it is the value of each digit in a number depending on its position. Let's see what is the place value of 3. 3 is in hundreds place, so place value of 3 will be 3 hundreds. Now coming to place value of 6. 6 is in tens, so the place value will be 6 tens. Coming to 4s, 4 is in ones, so place value of 4 is 4 ones. Now we can write the same thing in numbers too. How to write that? 300s is nothing but 300 300, 300. 6 tens is nothing but 60, 60. 4 ones is nothing but 4. So these are the place values. You can write place values in both ways. One is in figures and the other one is in numbers. We have done the same thing in expansion too. Now coming to face value. Face value of a number or a digit is the digit itself. Wherever the digit is, its value doesn't change. In that case, let's see the face value of 3. The face value of 3 is 3 because it will not change. Place value changes according to the places, but face value remains same, is the digit itself. Face value of 6 is 6. Face value of 4 is 4. Hope you have understood the concept of place values and face values. Children, you all know that 0 is a special number. What is face value of 0 and place value of 0? Let's understand that in this slide. Suppose there is a 3-digit number 407. I have written places on top of it, hundreds, tens and ones. So those are 3 different places for this 3-digit number. And if you observe, there is a 0 here, right? 407 and 0 is in tens place. So let's write the place value and face value. 0 is in tens place. We can clearly see that. So the place of 0 is tens. Now, what is the place value? Place value of 0 is always 0 wherever it stays. Whichever house 0 goes, its place value will not change. It is 0. Coming to face value. Face value of a digit is the digit itself that we have already learned. So face value of 0 is 0. Let's say another example here. 450. That is the next number. Here also we have a 0 in this 3-digit number. But here 0 has been changed to another place. In the first example, it is in tens place. In the second example, it is in ones. So what is the place of 0 here? The place of 0 is ones. So we write it as ones. 0 is in ones place. What is the place value? Place value will be 0 itself because place value of 0 is 0 wherever it goes. So place value of 0 is 0 and face value is the digit itself, which is nothing but 0. So you always have to remember the place value and face value of 0 is always 0. But the place changes. Wherever it is going, you have to write that particular place. Copy these contents in your notebook. Children, we are going to write place value of the colored digit here. There are 3 numbers given in the table. The first number is 378. So in 378, 8 has been colored and we need to find out the place and place value of 8 in this number. 8 is in ones place as the rightmost digit. So the place of 8 is ones and the place value of 8 will be 8 ones or 8. Coming to the next one, 192, in which 9, the place value of 9 and place of 9 should be found out. So 9 is in the tens place, as I can see, because this is ones, 2 is in ones, 9 is in tens. So 9 is in tens. So the place of 9 will be tens place. Now coming to place value, there is 9 in the tens place. So the place value will be 9 tenths. 9 tenths or 90.
We can write both the ways. Coming to the next one, 2 in 263. So there is 2 over here, which is in hundreds place. The place of 2 is hundreds and the place value will be 200s. 200s is the place value, which is also written as 200 200. So this is how we write place and values of different digits. Children, in the next class we are going to do an activity. For that, these are the material required. Color pencils or crayons, any one thing you can take, your maths notebook, pencil and eraser. We are going to do the activity on place values in the next live class. Get ready with the material. Children, this is your textbook page number 41 from your semester 1 textbook. Exercise 6. There are some questions wherein it has been asked to write the place value of the digits given, like 1 in 715, 3 in 936, 7 in 792 and so on. If you see here, this 1 is present in this 3-digit number. See which place the digit is standing and accordingly write the place value of the digit. As 1 is in tens, we write it as 110 or 1010. So that's how we write all the digits of all the questions. Hope you understood how to write place values. You do it in the textbook itself and submit it to your maths teacher. You can find out the answers from the next slide. But no cheating, first you have to do and then check your answers. That's it for today, dear children. Today we have learned what are place values and face values with beautiful example, and we have done some questions too. Let's meet in the next session. Until then, goodbye, take care.